Welcome to this video, how to use a Sam's Club gift card for gas. So basically it's very easy to do this. You want to go to the official Sam's Club website, which is just samsclub.com, and you want to purchase yourself a Sam's Club gift card. Not a regular gift card, but a Sam's Club Fuel Up gift card. It looks like this, it's got that car on it. You can select your amount, 10, 20, 25, even up to $500. Depending on your amount of gas that you need. Then you want to go to a Sam's Club fuel center, and there's very many of these across the country. So you can see they look like this, and they have these payment methods that show Sam's Club. So what you want to actually do is take your Sam's Club gift card that you purchased, and you want to put it into the card slot, and then you'll be able to pay with your gas. But make sure it's one of these Sam's Club fuel center stations. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next one.